God bless you. Predestined seed. We are Cueva.com. This is the bread of life today. John 1:11. He came unto his own, and his own received him not. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
How did they indict him? Because that their creeds would not accept him. And down in their heart they know different. Did not Nicodemus in the 3rd chapter of St. John well express it? Rabbi, we, the Pharisees, the preachers, the teachers, we know you're a teacher sent from God. For no man could do the things that you do unless God was with him. See? They publicly witnessed it by one of their renowned men. And still, because of their creeds, they crucified Christ. And today there's not a reader that cannot read Acts 2:38 the same as I can read it. And the rest of it is the same as I can read it. But because of their creeds and because of their denominational tickets that they got in their pocket, their marks of the beast that they're packing around as fellowship cards, and taking those things, they crucify to themselves Jesus Christ afresh and crucify him before the public and blaspheme the very God that promised to do this. Amen. Bringing damnation upon the race.
One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I know that final step is gonna set me free. My theophany, that I hear it calling me. Gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I know that final step is gonna set me free. My theophany, that I hear it calling me. It's a call to come up a little higher, into the perfect world. Saints, come up a little higher, into agape love. Church, come up a little higher, so through the heavenlies, by theophany, I hear it calling me. Don't you worry, little children. Should death knock on your door, don't you know that death is a doorway that leads to the heavenly shore over there.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Quiero amarte, Señor. Sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor.